Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split cells in Excel. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. At first, open an Excel sheet. I have opened one. Here you can see something is written. Let's zoom it for you. Here, okay. First, let's select it, and then you can do it with margin center option. Here you can see let's split it. This is one way you can do it, and then if we unmerge it, and then if you want to split it in different columns, then just go to this data option. Here you can see there is an option of text to columns. Click on it and keep this in fixed white and press the next button, and it will be shown like this, and click on again next, and yes, click on finish. Here you can see every text is splitted here. So yep, this is how you can do it, my friends. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then please like, comment and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for today.